Hello guys and welcome to a new video for the channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Miguel, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make a transparent Capcut watermark for your edits, clips, videos and everything. Once you have your clip, edit or video ready in the Capcut app, you're just gonna go to text, add text, then you're gonna pick a font. In this case I'm just gonna pick this one. Then you're just gonna write whatever you want. In this case I'm gonna put my channel name. Then after that you're gonna place it wherever you want. In this case I'm gonna put it there. Then after being on fonts, you're gonna go to styles. Then on text you're gonna pick the color for your text and you're gonna make it green. Then after on styles you're gonna go to shadow and you're gonna pick black shadow and the opacity to 100% and the blur to 27%. Okay guys, so we're just gonna make it as long as the video right there, see. Then we're going to export it. We hit done. Then we go back to the project. Then we go to overlay, add overlay, and we're gonna add the export file. Then we're gonna make it the same size as the last video. And before continuing, we're gonna go back then to text, and we're gonna delete the text that we wrote before. Delete it. Then we go back again. We go to the overlay. We select the overlay. Then we go to remove background. After that, we're gonna select chroma key. Then we're gonna go to the green color of the text right there. Then the intensity, we're gonna put it on 55%. Okay, once we've done that, we're gonna put the shadow to 58%. And there you go. There's your transparent watermark ready. And for those of you that stay to the end of the video, please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and see you in the next one.